Okay guys, so there is two different scenarios that you guys can do. So we have the Skin Active Moisture, those are $8.79. We have these Skin Active Removers, those are $6.29. They're currently buy one, get one 50% off. We do have a $2 off digital coupon for this one, and we have a $2 off digital coupon for this one. Plus you guys can stack it with a $2 off coupon from the Walgreens booklet. You guys would end up taking about $8 off with the buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $3.93 for these both products, which is a pretty good deal. If you want to get the Garnier Mixella, I can't ever pronounce that, for $9.49, and you can also get this for $8.79. Use the $4 off coupons. You guys would get them for $4.88. So just wanted to share with you on that. The Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. It would come out to be $3 or just $1.50 a piece. The L'Oreal Vibe is 2 for $8. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. Plus there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get these for $3 or just $1.50 a piece. The Suave shampoo and conditioner is on sale for 2 for $5. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. 3 off of 2, making them $1 a piece. There is supposed to be $1.50 off of men's. What I scanned did not show up. They might work for the other ones. And then there's also $1.50 for the Suave Kids if you guys want to do that. So they come out to be $1, and submit your receipt to fetch rewards for bonus points. The Pantene is on sale for $3.99. Now I have a $2.50 off, a 3 off of 2, and a 5 off of 3 coupon. So it just depends on what you want, but the 5 off of 3 is also in the inserts from last week. You would pay $6.97, but then you get a $3 register reward, making it, lost my spot, $3.97 or just $1.32 a piece. School supplies, they have some for 49 cents for the Elmer's glue. You got the glue sticks for 49 cents. You got some Fiskars scissors for 99 cents. I'm not seeing anything else. Let's go check down in the other spot. They have folders for 49 cents. They got little mini notebooks for 49 cents. We also have a mini stapler for 99 cents, a protractor 99 cents, ruler 49 cents. Let's see what else I can find. Index cards are 49 cents. They have erasers and pencil sharpeners for 99 cents, 49 cents. They got some highlighters for 49 cents. I know I'm missing something else. They got some retractable pens for 49 cents, which is a pretty good deal, and there might be more. Arm & Hammer is on sale for $2.99. Now we do have a little bit of variety of digital coupons. You got a digital coupon for $1 off that. You got a digital coupon for the $1 off for the pods, and then my store finally has these booster things for also $1.99 after the digital coupon. So the next deal they have is the Snuggle and the Purex. They're currently $2.99. Now some of you guys might have paper coupons, some people don't. But let's say you don't, this is still a good deal without the paper coupons. But they're 4,000 points when you guys buy 2. So basically you guys would pay $5.98, but you get $4 back. Comes out to be $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. So you got the crystals, you got the Snuggle, you got the other Purex, and I think I'm missing something else that's probably right in front of my face that I don't see. But we also have this Snuggle also. The Suavitel and the Ajax, we did get some 50-cent off digital coupons for both of these products. They come out to be just $1.49. Persil is on sale for $4.99. We do have a $2 off digital coupon, making them just $2.99. Dawn soap is on sale for 99 cents. We do have a 25-cent off digital coupon. You guys would just get this for 74 cents. Now there's two deals for the Crest toothpaste. This is on sale for $3.99. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You would end up paying $4.98, but then you get a $4 register reward when you buy 2. But there's a better deal if you guys buy the toothpaste that is $3.79. You want to buy both of them, use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would pay $4.58, but you get 5,000 points when you buy 2. Comes out to be just a 42-cent moneymaker, so an even better deal. General Mills cereal is on sale for $1.99. We do actually have, well, I have a 2 off of 4, and then I also have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys want to buy both of them, you would end up paying $2.98, but then you guys can also submit your receipt to Save & Star. If you already have it linked, it automatically does it. So you guys would get them for $1.98, just 99 cents a piece, which is an awesome deal on cereal. And you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you get points for that too. Nice bags, or the complete home garbage bags, are currently on sale for $5.99. They are pretty decent quality if you guys need to get some trash bags. The Oreo cookies are on sale for $2.99. We do have a 75-cent off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $5.23, but you can submit your receipt to checkout 51 and you guys would get 75 cents back times 2. So you can do this up to 5 times if you need to. But you would get $1.50 back with checkout 51. Comes out to be just $3.76 or $1.86 for Oreos. That's an awesome deal.